Hello viewers, today I like to show you how to add polls on TikTok video. Let's have a look. First, open TikTok app, start recording a video or upload a video. Tap next and start edit your video. To add poll, from bottom menu tap stickers. Tap on poll. Now type question. Then type polls for vote. Tap on done button and you can resize your poll. Tap next and post your video. People can vote on your poll. To check results, tap on your video and tap on the poll. Tap view vote results and check out results. These are the steps to add polls on TikTok video. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.